How's it going, guys? So my name is Mackenzie, and today we're going to be learning how to make, well, we're not making anything actually. My name is Mackenzie, and we're actually going to be going over the best programming languages for 2019 into three categories. And it's mobile development, web development, and just software engineering in general. Mobile development, you have two options, guys. You can go with a native app. I'll explain what this means. Native app or a hybrid app. The difference between native and hybrid app is that hybrid app runs in a web view. So it sort of runs in like a browser. You have your benefits and drawbacks. I'm going to go over all those details in this video. For a native application, I would recommend using using Swift for iOS and Java for Android. Those you have to code in two different languages and you get two different platforms. The benefit is you have a lot of performance and you don't have to wait for plugins to be made, right? You don't have to wait for someone to make a plugin in JavaScript just so you can use it on your hybrid application. So, and the support is always there because you're working on native. So it's what's basically made for the phone. But if you do a hybrid application, you're most likely going to be coding in JavaScript, and the benefits of using a hybrid application is that you code once and you get an iOS and an Android application. So that's the benefit, but the drawbacks are that you do lose some performance issues. You do lose some performance, and you have to wait for plugins to be made. So in my opinion, go with straight native. I don't mind coding it twice in Java and Swift. So my opinion, I say go with one of them. So if you don't know which one to start with, Swift or Java, just pick whichever one interests you the most. So if you want to do iOS development, learn Swift. If you want to do Android development, well, learn Java. So I'll link some resources down below for both of them. The next thing is web development. So for web development, I recommend PHP or NODEJS, which is JavaScript. PHP, I think it's more for beginners. I use it on almost all my projects. I recommend the Laravel framework for PHP, and for JavaScript, NodeJS and Express is kind of the way to go. I'm not really going to go over the drawbacks of them, but definitely one of those two for web development for 2019. Plus, it tends to be what most places where I've been hired tend to use. So, and that includes you do have to learn like HTML and CSS. I'm onto software engineering. So for software engineering, I would learn Java. So Java is a object-oriented language, and it's pretty easy to learn. I'd feel like it's a good starting point for some people. So definitely Java, or maybe like C++. C++ also not too hard to learn. But yeah, I would definitely. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below, subscribe, follow me on my social medias. They're posted down below on the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.